Welcome to Mark in a Minute, where you get the important stuff in just 60 seconds. Each of these 60-second videos summarizes a subject in reference to the Tampa Bay area and its incredible realty market. So let's get started. Today, Milton and I are at Oakfield Trails, and we're going to speak to West Bay Homes.
Welcome to Homes by West Bay and Oakfield Trails. Homes by West Bay is in the gated enclave portion of Oakfield Trails, which is a 4,500 home community consisting of a private club with a bar, restaurant, a full gym, a resort-style pool, pickleball, tennis courts, among many things. Homes by West Bay will have 60-foot and 70-foot lot product lines where we are the highest level luxury builder inside the community. The nice thing about our enclave is we are gated, private, and we give you the security you need.
Thank you for watching Mark in a Minute. Be sure to like or dislike and subscribe below. Apparently, it is very important. And as always, be sure to ask me the questions that are most important to you. Have a great day.